now we're adding 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil to our pan and bringing it up to medium-high heat. We want to get that nice and hot for our onion. And also, when the onions are about done cooking, feel free to add a clove of minced garlic. I used frozen vegetables in this recipe, but you can use roasted or really anything green in your fridge works. So you want to get that nice and defrosted in the microwave before adding them to your beautiful caramelized onions. I love onions. So you want to just give that a nice stir. Watch out for splatters. Don't get burnt, guys. Please stay safe. And I also then added 1/4 to half a cup of brown rice. White rice works in a pinch too. And this is a great time to add all your seasonings: soy sauce, garlic powder, pepper, salt, whatever you like. Chili powder if you want a little kick. I can't do spicy food. Whatever floats your boat. So now this is when you want to make a nice little well inside this, little nest of vegetables and rice. You want to add your egg. Just make sure that you stir it really quick so it doesn't set and scramble it up. You can kind of push it around a little like you're making scrambled eggs. And then when it's almost done, just stir it with all the vegetables and rice until everything kind of marries together into a beautiful stir fry. And guys, there we have it. Quick, easy, delicious, and nutritious stir fry. This is one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, essentially all day. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks.